Hi and welcome back to the final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 6th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. And look at gold, and well, we've got a rally on gold. Depending on what's going to happen in the next day or so, potentially we could see an interesting break now, because we've had this big downtrend. That downtrend on gold goes back to mid 2000 and let me just show you. Mid 2012, October actually, 2012 has been where we've seen that downtrend go back to. Now, we are now testing that downtrend. We've also had 3 days, this is 3 green candlesticks in a row. Now, you haven't had 3 green candlesticks in a row since October. Interesting, when we had a proper rally on gold. Now, this would suggest that potentially we're sort of coming out the back of this consolidation period. We've been in, gold has basically gone nowhere for a good month and a bit now, and potentially we could be starting to break down that, because we've already come through this resistance that had been holding gold back through the latter part of December, $112.80. We're now through that. 12.13.50 is where we're trading at the moment, up $10 on the day. So we're having a third strong trading day in a row. Now we are testing this big downtrend, and it'll be very interesting to see if we can break through that downtrend. I'm not calling it yet, because it certainly has been capping the gains in recent months, and throughout the whole of the last month and a half, every time you've got a strong signal, you see a corrective signal follow it. So I'm not going to get too excited yet, but we are potentially seeing something in this gold chart. We're seeing the stochastics start to accelerate away, which is a positive sign. MACD line's still not really doing a great deal, so no real pickup. RSI also is below that peak of 59 back in mid-December. So until you start to see it up into the mid-60s, I don't think you can get too excited yet on this gold chart. But interesting, we could have the early signs of something. And if we do break through that downtrend, which comes in around about 12.15, 12.16, then maybe this gold price could start to make some gains and test that 12.38.20 mark. And we'll see what happens then. But at the moment, we're still in this consolidation phase, but it is building for a nice positive move. In terms of support, this is the intraday chart. You'll see the choppy nature of this gold chart over the past few weeks. We are sort of now towards a level at which, if this range is to continue, that the selling pressure is likely to start to take hold again, because the RSI is back over 70 on the hourly chart. Also, the MACD lines are just up towards a level, I'll sort of highlight that, towards a level where recently, certainly in the last week and a half, the rallies have fallen over. So it will be, we are entering into a very interesting phase now for gold, and I think it's one that we need to just keep an eye on. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today and whatever you're doing, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.